This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone has local ringtones available. Go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics to scan them quickly. Once done, open the clock app and tap Alarm to view existing alarms. Tap the plus to create or edit on an alarm you want to modify. This gets you directly into the alarm editor so you can change time, repeat, and importantly, the sound field. Don't skip to third-party apps first. Use built-in options to avoid Apple Music dependencies. Tap Sound in the alarm editor and you'll see ringtones and sounds. Preview any tone by tapping it so you hear how it will wake you. If you want a custom tone without Apple Music, use the tone store to buy or create a tone, or import a M4R file into the iPhone via Files and the GarageBand trick. Export a ringtone from GarageBand and choose it here. Make sure to tap the selected tone so a checkmark appears. This tells the clock which audio to play. Tap Save to apply your changes, then test by setting an alarm a few minutes ahead to confirm the sound plays. If you don't hear audio, check the ringer volume and that Do Not Disturb or focus modes aren't silencing alarms. Also verify the sound entry still shows your chosen tone. If a custom tone is missing, re-import it via GarageBand or Files and reselect it in Sound. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the clock app or the iPhone to force the sound library to refresh if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.